Let's explore the expose instruction in Dockerfile. This instruction documents the container ports within a Dockerfile. The expose instruction is a documentation instruction that informs Docker which ports the container listens on at runtime. It is important to note that expose does not actually publish the port, it only documents it. Let's look at the basic syntax of the expose instruction. The syntax is expose, then the port number, and optionally the protocol. For example, expose 80, expose 443/TCP, expose 53/UDP. Here's an example of how to use the expose instruction in a Dockerfile. First, from jinx:\alpine. Then, copy./app to /usr/share/jinx/html. Then expose 80. And then command jinx-g daemon off. Let's compare expose versus port publishing. Expose is documentation only and does not publish ports. The command for this is expose 80. Port publishing actually maps ports and makes them accessible. The command for this is docker run-p 8080:80. Here are some best practices for using the expose instruction. Always document the ports your application uses. Use standard ports when possible, such as 80, 443, or 3000. Specify the protocol if using UDP or custom protocols. Place expose near the end of your Dockerfile. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.